Alright, so this is what they're talking about. They just want like a heat shield here between the muffler and the tank, and they just want this to be more secure. So fortunately it is on a rubber mount, so that could be a bit of a pain, but all good. We'll work something out. Let's get it jacked up and have a proper look at it. Alrighty, so I've got this old piece of actual heat shield off an old Mazda. I think it might even be off the 323, I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure I can sort of get that in between the muffler and the fuel tank, and I'll just bend this over and fold it, and this should be able to bolt up to the fuel tank itself. Yeah, and I'll just clean it up, make it look nice, and we might put some sticky heat wrap on it or something as well, just to make it look good. But yeah, I think that'll work. A bit of bending, a bit of folding. Other than that, I can like make up something for the new bit of metal. I don't think they're gonna accept a heat pad that's stuck to the actual tank itself. I think they actually want a piece of metal of some sort in between. So I think I can make this thing work, and yeah, hopefully it'll satisfy them. Alrighty, the other option I've got is this. It's actually a IDA heat shield to shield heat from the extractors, made by Scotty Elliott. This one was for a 12A, but I actually feel like this will fit real nicely, and this spacing will bolt up to the fuel tank. So this might be the go. Sorry, Scotty, but yeah, I think this will be the go. I might just have to bend these a little bit, and I'll put some heat sticker there just to make it look legit, and I think that'll work. Yeah, we might go for this. See how that looks. Alright, so looks like that'll work. We'll just stick some some heat sticky stuff on it, and yeah, just do some adjustments to the muffler and stuff. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Looks legit enough. Already just made up a couple little brackets to mount the exhaust, just to get up a bit higher and just restrict the movement a bit. See how we go. These should work. Alright, so that rubber mount there was split, so I've just replaced that. Just made up a new little bracket there to fit the exhaust there. So I'll just bolt that up. Alrighty, so this little bracket will just sit up in here. Yeah, that should lift the muffler up and secure it rather than having it on a rubber mount. See how it goes anyway. Alrighty, so just a new basic bracket there. Change the rubber mount there. the new basic bracket there, and yeah, heat shield. But I think heat shield. The exhaust is more secure now. It's got flexi joins down just past the extractors and other rubber mounts, so I think it should be fine in terms of flex and stuff. But yeah, the muffler is now tucked up higher, and you know, way less movement. So we've got our heat shield there, so I think they should be happy with that. We'll see how we go. Hopefully we can get a WOF. Alrighty, so after a little bit of fighting around, I got the little heat shield in there, bolted up perfectly. Yeah, that was, you know, worked out really well. And then I've just secured the exhaust, just made a couple little basic brackets. So the exhaust is now lifted up a little bit higher, a little bit tucked up. That system, the exhaust system is on an odd angle, but it's kind of cool, you know. But yes, it's up a bit higher, and it's much more secure now, so sort of more on a solid mount where the muffler is. The exhaust does have flexi pipes after the extractors, and it does have other rubber mounts further down, so I think it should be fine, because obviously you need a bit of movement, etc., but it should be fine. I'm pretty sure the WOF guy should be happy. The best thing about it all is that I didn't spend any money. I looked at heat shields from Repco, to be honest, and god, they're bloody expensive. So stuff that, so it's good to just get it sorted with just bits that I got lying around the shed. Definitely not the flashiest job, but yeah, should do the trick, and hopefully we can get a WOF. The main thing is that we keep the WOF man happy, and yeah, keen as get this 1 year WOF. So yeah, we'll take it tomorrow and see how we get on. Yeah, and also funny little story about that exhaust system too, and I actually mentioned it in the last video. The exhaust system on the orange car is actually from the blue car that I just bought. So that blue car was actually owned by one of the bros, Dane Richards, from Great Dane Builders. And yeah, I was looking for some extractors for the orange car when I was doing the 13B conversion. And yeah, he just messaged me and said he had a whole exhaust system sitting there, and yeah, he didn't know if it was for 12 or 13B, but yeah, he just gave it to me. So it turns out it was for 13B, and with a few little mods it fit perfect. So yeah, isn't it pretty crazy that I'm running the exhaust off the car that I just bought? But I got this exhaust like, I don't know how many years ago, and that hatch used to be owned by Dane, the blue one, and he had it sitting in his shed for God knows how long. So huge shout out to Dane Richards. You know, I really appreciated you giving me that exhaust, brother, and I've been putting it to good use. So thank you very much again, and you're a legend. Cheers, bro. Mean. Alrighty, back off to VTNZ. Yeah, to see if we can get a WOF for this thing. Hopefully they're happy with my fix. Sweet, hopefully they pass it now. Sweet, looks like she's passed. Just pulled the old WOF sticker off. Happy days. Awesome, thank you so much. Happy days, fresh WOF. Alrighty, success, freaking amazing. 1 year warranty fitness, pretty stoked. So they were happy with my little heat shield that I put in there, and just securing the exhaust a bit. So yeah, got a pass. Awesome. Check it out. 2026 October, 1 year. That's amazing. Yeah, so cool. So yeah, happy as. All right, let's get it looking a bit better, get it a bit lower, and chuck some different wheels on it, and yeah, wind that idle up a bit again. Cool, let's do the other side. Other side done. Let's just give it a bit of camber full send. Alrighty, let's drop the rear down now.